Hello, Goenkans. Our today's topic is excretion. Excretion is the removal of metabolic wastes from the body. Metabolic reactions go on in the body, and these metabolic reactions they produce unwanted substances as well. And those unwanted substances can be toxic, they can be harmful. So body needs to excrete them. Unwanted substances include urea, uric acid, ammonia, excess salts, etc. Body does not require them. If they are retained in the body, that can lead to different types of diseases. So body wants to get rid of them. And excretion is a process by which we get rid of these unwanted substances. And excretory system is of different types in different organisms. If we talk about unicellular organisms, their proper excretory system is absent. You will not find kidneys, urinary bladder in unicellular organisms, but they excrete these unwanted substances in a different way. For example, diffusion is a way by which they excrete these unwanted substances. Now, what is diffusion? When there is high concentration of wastes inside a unicellular organism, those substances, high concentration substances, they move from inside to outside, because there is a concentration gradient. Concentration gradient means difference in the concentration. Inside it's high, outside it is low. So there is a gradient. Gradient means difference. So substances, these unwanted substances, they will move from inside to outside. They will pass into the surroundings. Through which process? Through the process of diffusion. And the unicellular organism gets rid of unwanted substances. Thank you so much, Goenkans. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.